Ya, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani uDumisani-ke lona ukhuluma naye uDumisani. Ngizothanda ukufunda nje le comment yalo mfethu iyona nje engiyiphikhile kulaya post le kade ngiyiphostile ekuseni. Lethi kanjena uMthembuzi comment, kodwa umdala uyasangana wena. Yini engisanganisayo? Yini engisanganisayo? Ngisanganiswa ukuthi mina ngithe abafowethu laba baseLimpopo ba-right ngokuthi baxoshe amaZulu eLimpopo. Phela guys kumele kubhalanse yonke indawo. ILimpopo yala eSouth Africa niyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Eyesi-9 iLimpopo yala eSouth Africa, eyesi-9. So the reason why aMashangane enixoshile nina niyiqonda ukuthi anixoshelani. Yini eyenza ukuthi aMashangane namaTsonga enze imashi? Athi aMashangane akhala ngamaZulu ukuthi la e-KZN nina maniba-categorize-a, niba-categorize-a njenganabantu bokufika. The time uma ngabe nina nibhizi nishaya abantu bokufika, nixosha abantu bokufika, nabo bayathinteka ekutheni niyabashaya ngenxa ye-skin colour sabo sokuthi badakhanyana. Mengabe nibabona ukuthi bona badakhanyana, ni-assume ukuthi nibona abakula mazwe lawa angeke, nina maZulu. Namhlanje senizenza iy'limi sekungazuthi manje niyasukelwa, ngazi ukuthi kuyinini eniyiqalile le nto? Phela le nto le nizokhumbula ukuthi yaqala yilo mama lo waseNdlunkulu lo ohamba ngenduku. Noma usebenza emasosheni loya mama noma kwenzekalani, bathi uLondi, uLondi. Uyena owayiqala wadelela uLokhunjana umphathiswa wamaphoyisa wase-KZN, wambiza ngokuthi kanjena uyikwerekwere. Angithi ebe umvenda waseLimpopo wambiza ngekwerekwere, wathi kanjena hamba okhuluma ngakini, la sikhuluma isiZulu, hamba osebenza ngakini nakulo. Angithi yaqalwa uyena? Ayiqalanga uyena oba yaqalwa uyena? Namhlanje le nto mengabe isiqhubeka ilokhu iqhubeka iyibhande ngoba phela ayimile iyaqhubeka njengoba nibhizi nani niyiphusha, nayo iyaqhubeka le nto eniyenzayo and nizosithola isiphetho sayo ukuthi kuzoba yini. Abantu futhi abazoba nebhadi nje kuzoba i-KZN. Ngeke kube ilokhunjana iMpumalanga, ngeke kube iLimpopo, ngeke kube iNorth West, ngeke kube iWestern Cape, ngeke kube iFree State and ngeke kube futhi i-Eastern Cape. Iyodwa nje i-province ezoba nebhadi ngoba ihlezi inebhadi kuyo yonke indawo, ayiphumi yona ekukhulumeni. Ngala ayiphumi. Mina ngisho ningangithuka mina ningibize ngazo zonke iy'nhlamba, nihambe niye ku-inbox yami ningisabise, nenze yonke le nto eniyenzayo lo ningi-threaten-isha lapha ngoba naku mina ngikhuluma iqiniso. Thina webafethu siyicabangela ithina, mina ngeke mina abantu bakaZulu bangisize ngalutho mina. Abakithi impela e-KZN kodwa according to impilo ngizazi ukuthi ngilale ngidlile, ngilale ngiphila, ngikwazi nami ukhasilisha ukuthi ngiphile kanjani. Ngeke abantu base-KZN bangisize mina kulokho, imina ekufanele ngizisize. Kumanje nje ngakha nangu lo, ngamakha lo, uthi ngimvule mhlawumbe animboni kahle lo. Inhloso yami yokuthi ngimenze lo ingoba benguwumuntu okade kumele ahambe ayovakasha ko-Namibia, nangu nginisondezele nje la eduzane khona nizombona kahle, nangu. Inhloso yami ukuthi bekumele ngihambe ngovakasha eNamibia cause nginabangani eNamibia. Njengoba nibhizi-ke nishaya abantu bokufika, ngizoya kanjani-ke manje eNamibia? uDumisani uzohamba kanjani? Niyazibona kodwa ukuthi kuyo yonke le nto eniyenzayo ukuthi nizicabangela nina, anisicabangeli kodwa thina. Mangathiwa nje nanku ngenza umzekelo uDumisani uthola umsebenzi eMauritius, ngizosebenza kanjani mina eMauritius ngoba nina nishaya abantu bokufika la? Kuzothiwa hhayi nawe asikuceli wena hamba nawe, hare utsamaya, hamba ko-KZN. Ngizophatheka kanjani mina? Ngibe ngizazi kahle ukuthi angikaze ngayijoyina imashi, angikaze ngenze kodwa fila kuzoba njani kumina? AmaZulu mina angeke aze aze angisize lutho mina ukuthi ngiphile kanjani nani nani. Ningasangana nje la nigcwale imigaqo nimashe, nishaye abantu nifuna ukubuka, nihephuzele namabhisha, kodwa at the end of the day abanye bethu ngeke kuze kusisize ngalutho lokho. Mina futhi ngizoyikhulumela as uDumisani Ndlovu as individual. Mina abantu bokufika nje mina abangichaphazeli nakancane. Kuyizinto ey'suke y'balwa, into abayibala kakhulu bathi ama-drugs. Ama-drugs mina awangichaphazeli ngoba ngiwabhemi, ngimdala nginengqondo. Amakwerekwere mayefika la ma-Nigeria awafiki eSouth Africa afike afunze abantu ngenkani athi i-drugs. Obani abadla ama-drugs? Obani abasuke behamba imijemo zonke iy'nsuku, behambe bedla iy'ncika, bedla ney'ntashi nayo yonke, obani abenza lokho? Obani? Angithi thina abantu bamnyama bale South Africa siba othathekile? Bafethu ngayisho nje lento eniyishoyo niyikhulume ngendlela eniyikhuluma ngayo, niyibeke nithi niyazama ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi niyasi-understand-isa ukuthi si-understand. Yazi ukuthi mina mangithi ngiyabheka la kwamanye amalokishi engike ngiwahambe la, ngiye ngifice nje iy'tolo zabantu abamnyama esasakhiwe umuntu omnyama sivaliwe. Sivaliwe, isitolo nje esasakhiwe umuntu omnyama sivaliwe, asidayisi ngobani? Akakwazi ukudayisa, iskili sokudayisa simphelela, akakwazi. Futhi uyayibona nje into esuke i-ode umuntu omnyama wase-South Africa ukuthi hhayi cha, ngeke ifane nalapha. Namhlanje ningaba-blame-a nithini ukudla bakufaka u-poison, kodwa ngine-sure 100% not ukuthi bonke benza leya yinto. Not ukuthi bonke. Nina niyathanda ukuthi umuntu oyedwa mayenza into nibhece wonke umuntu ukuthi uyaphi. Kumanje niba-accuse-ela ukuthi bangama-criminals, bayini, kodwa ngine-sure 100% not wonke ama-countries akhona e-Afrika awu-53 ama-criminals, khona ama-criminals. Kuma-countries awu-53 ine-continent ngoba abanye abakwazi nokuthi mangaki ama-countries kwine-continent. Kwi-continent ama-countries awu-54. I-South Africa iyodwa ixabana namazwe awu-53, isile kahle la ekhanda, including i-America as well, ibhansela. Ngoba phela ne-America nayo uTrump omunye loyo sicuphile ongasifuni. Masikhuluma la sekufanele sisatshiswe-ke thina singakwazi-ke thina ukubeka umbono ngoba thina siyabheda. Mina bekade ngiqinisile mina kwividiyo yami yasekuseni ngathi amaZulu kuzomele axoshwe yonke indawo khona ezofunda ukuba abantu, ngoba okwamanje asikakabi abantu. Asikakabi nje abantu. Ningakhuluma nje nithini, okwamanje nje asikakabi abantu. Sihlaza isizwe sakaZulu, senza isizwe sakaZulu sinyanywe njengamanje nje, futhi lokho nizokubona nanevotini. Yabona mase kuvotwa kuzocaca ukuthi i-KZN nje iyona yodwa ihlukile njengoba ihlala ihluka nje. Buka nje njengoba kuze ukhetho nje la ngomhla ka-4 kuLwezi, mhla ka-4 kuLwezi November. Buka njengoba kuza yena nje ukuthi obani abazobe bevotela kakhulu i-MK ne-IFP, kuzobe kuwamaZulu kuphela. I'm telling you, abantu abazovotela nje i-MK bezovotela i-IFP kuzobe kuwamaZulu kuphela. Kwamanye ama-province ngeke balivotele la maqembu o-2. These two political parties ngeke bawavotele nje KZN vele ngaphandle kwamanye ama-province. Ngeke nje baze bawavotele. I-MK ne-IFP iyovotelwa e-KZN kuphela eNatali, qha amaZulu kuphela lawo. Ngiphikiseni futhi manithi nginamanga. Ngoba i-KZN isiyikhombise kakhulu i-tribalism futhi ayiqali into endala yakhona. Ize ne-phobic, Afrophobic. Masikhuluma ngalezo zinto lezo siyabheda sihlukile. Hhayi hamba ohlala nabo. Nina nisicabangeli nina. Thina sifuna ukutravela mfethu, thina sihambe iy'ndawo nana sizozihamba kanjani ngoba uzoshawa. Uzothi uveza i-passport ushawele kona lokho-ke ukuthi uyayiveza. Ningayenza nje lento eniyenzayo bafethu, ningayenza nje, u-wrong nje, kufanele nikwazi lokho. Indlela nje nenza ngayo, indlela enibaxosha ngayo abantu bokufika ayikho right. Aninaso iskili sokwenza, iskili isona esingekho.
Greetings, nto zakuthi. Namhlanje nje ndihalile bakhe siqwalasele nje ba. What is it that is happening in the country so far, and how far are we in terms of creator imisebenzi as Phakela Umthakathi nabo Jacinta have claimed to be doing, and how far are we in terms of bathi into xa bethethayo kanina abantu bathi we are but something eminish balungisa ilizwe. And I'm asking myself, but leliphi elilizwe balilungisayo, because ukulungisa ilizwe into esifacene nayo namhlanje, amongst many other things, inequality in this society esiphila kuyo. Into esifacene nayo apha is a direct result of a capital that took advantage of the people of this country. Into esifacene nayo apha, it's the fact that our very own people who are not equipped, who are not skilled, and that is a result of a system of education that was introduced. Not so long ago, besine colleges, technical colleges, and then zahamba kwathiwa zi-TVET colleges, and then they did away with some of if ndiyakwelicala lakwa electricity and ilentos mechanical, but tata into is nated courses, and introduce NCV and all of those things, which were pretty useless because the industry still demanded nated. But what I'm trying to say, Apanditi, those are what we should be fighting instead of fighting fellow black people. Because if foreign nationals, let me just call because yadingakala aba bantu sithi ngabokufika, that is from Zim, from Nigeria, from Mozambique, you name is now Congo, up to Somalia and all of those, Ethiopia. Aba bantu in the main into abayenzileyo, they've come up as South Africa and saw an opportunity, especially areas Z2. In fact, they saw an opportunity area of Illinois spaza shops, and they saw an opportunity area of artisans. And now my concern is this: now asiba ateki aba bazi ati okanye manditi, we are not gunning for masibezi artisans. We are not gunning for into edinga skill. Siyakulena isispaza because sicimba edinga skill yona. Because to run a spaza shop, salucimba indlwana net. To run a spaza shop, ithatha amongst many other things, discipline. If you need patience, if you need self-control, and the like. And our people siyabazi, and Leo, I'm saying it unapologetically, Leba. Abantu bakuthi, number one, they're not going to run as spaza shops. That's a fact. Why am I saying this? Because abantu bokufika khange bafike kukhona izpaza ebesizirana. Bafike sivalile igarage, sivalile ezindlini, and we're running to ezidolophini siphume ezilalini. Bona njengoba sibalekele ezidolophini bona babalekele ezilalini, and they started to run izpaza shops, and we were so happy ukuthenga kubo. We were so happy to support them, because had they not received a support, maybe they're not survive this long. Bakhule kanje, bakhula because of his support yethu. If foreign national E1 abantu abayisupportayo, there are at least 100 who are South African. And then thina sithi ngoku aba bantu hayi basithathele imisebenzi, kukhona ke lento aba obsessed ngayo abantu bematch and match oba fanele ube ne5 million and all of those things. And abathethe kwa match and match ithalwa ngaki million, ngophakela umthakathi ngapha baba sinike i-million singasebenzi, naba ngokuba obsessed ke5 million. And then they forget that aba bantu bezibhaza banikwe sithi indawo, thina sisazivala shops zethu, and we're happy to give it to them by phone. And number two, basupportwa city, we buy there. And leave this nonsense of people saying that kwakhona into abantwana bayafa, expired food, okanye ukudla kufakwa i-poison and ipilisi and all that manner of things. That is a lie from the pit of hell, because abantu kwezi ndawo bathenga kwezi chep for the longest time, and asizive ezi story. Then all of a sudden we sekhona case after case of food poisoning okanye abantwana abafakelwe ipilisi and all of manner of things. And then kube khona le tendency esinayo sithi umuntu xa i-foreign national commit i-crime sithi yabona foreign nationals ziyahlupha because they commit i-crime and all manner of things. Khakuhambe elokishini kule ndawo uhlala kuyo, especially kongaziwayo kuyo, ubomi uyawuphuma usanayo i-cellphone yakho. But it's black South Africans, but you're not safe there. And then you blame it on people who are foreign. Kodwa thina qala apha. Number 2, thina qala apha abantu abaninzi they have closed down i-shops zabo because ukhona umuntu oyifellow South Africa. Thina ingxaki yethu sinomona against one another, supportana. Avale ishop yakhe umuntu because kuyawaboma ingabe siyamtyebisa lo. Boys injalo thina by nature. Black South Africans injalo azinamona zibuya ngolala abakusupport tu. Yabona mina in my line of business i-support endiyifumanayo ndiyifumana first of all with strangers. That's number 1, and many of them are foreign nationals. Ndiyifumana from the white people or Indian okanye nabanye, but aba basithi they will never support you. Ukhona inkunzi yomona amongst us, and then ngolonto boy sikhuphele lanto ngoku to our brothers in Africa. Andiva noma into much and much, but where were they ngela xesha bafuna ba-addresse le issue ukufika kwaYan van Riebeeck abe-South Africa? Wafika i-foreign national uYan van Riebeeck wayifumana phi ile nto i-permit or whatever? The Indians that came bezosebenza kwi-sugar cane ba-documentwa ngubani wathi they are South African, but sileka aba basuka ko-Zimbabwe and all manner of things. And then bekhona kwezi zitutshe nje zivele zithi we support abantu be-crime basivezele i-Nigerians ezithengisa i-drugs. Hey, umuntu othengisa i-drugs makabanjwe qha, finish and clear. That's a crime. Nomuntu obulala omnye umuntu makabanjwe, nomuntu ontshontshayo makabanjwe. Sanibeni sifundekele nisixela ba hayi kwaze kwathini, so umuntu axeba xa usithi when you support makube khona abantu aba-foreign awuthi wena it means wena support a crime. Uvela uboma upokopane kaDomi lo, because there's no one who tells support a crime, but you support a crime. Or ifuna support le crime yenu nina nihambe nibetha abantu for no reason. Ndiyabava naba lophakela umthakathi besithi abantu nge-31st akho mntu uyandawo ku-31st kaJulayi apho, ayikho loo nto le. Okurhasa bancame ophela ubunsizwa, telling you now. And then after i-4th of le ntosa xa kuphele yonke le nto ye-elections they will face the music abaphakela umthakathi benu. And nina nihambe nileqa ke ezitratweni nileqa into eningayaziyo. You're not going to have jobs after the 4th. You're not going to have jobs after the 31st lesiya kuyo ndithende into yakude. Nibe nileqa into eningayaziyo apha phandle. Umuntu makazidevelophe yena self. There's no phakela umthakathi ozokwenzela nto, same as akho politician ozokwenzela nto. If wena uvuke emaqandeni ulibe lulandela ne-politicians, ulibe lulandela nophakela umthakathi, uzokwenzakala. Vuke emaqandeni taki, yeke lento, yekeni into iceba nokunika izinto iziswele nge-training izinto apha emhlabeni. You work hard, you get lento uyideservayo. Buzohlala phezu kwezandla zakho ubuye ukrabalaza ukrasa esitratweni awulamba, and you will die.